Today we're making onion dolma. It's a new dolma that I found out about, or sarma. It's basically taking the meat and rice filling that you would put in sarma or dolma and rolling them in onions and cooking those. It's gotta be my new favorite way to make this. Let's do it. So we start off by taking the top and bottom off the onion. You wanna peel the outside skin. We're gonna put a slice through it, not going all the way through. It's kind of like a half moon, if you will. And that's gonna get dropped into the water, and then we're gonna be able to peel those off nice and easy. So we got our water boiling, hit it with a little salt, and then we're gonna drop in the onions. These are gonna go for about 10 minutes. While that's going, let's make our meat filling. It's pretty simple. We're gonna need 1 pound of beef, ground lamb, any kind of meat. You don't have to be picky. Then we're gonna do half a cup of rice. If you want more rice, add a little more. Or you want more protein, more meat. It's fluid. It's just cooking. Have fun with it. 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste, salt, pepper, allspice, a little bit of parsley, and some mint. Go and just mix it up. So it's been about 10 minutes now. Our onions are done. You want to shock them in ice water. That'll stop it from cooking and it'll let you handle it because you don't want to burn your hands. Now that the onions have cooled, you can see that these layers, they just peel right off. Super easy. Drop them into a bowl until you get all your leaves off, then you're gonna roll it. It actually is way easier than doing it with grape leaves or cabbage, and it adds so much flavor to the meat. It's incredible. Oh, it's still hot. We got our onions all peeled, ready to go. I like to hit it with a little bit of oil on the bottom, makes it so it doesn't stick. And now for the filling. You want about a tablespoon of the mixture, and you're gonna put it to the back of the onion, and it almost just rolls itself. It's pretty easy. We're gonna lay it in our pan seam side down and just keep rolling. So we're gonna add a little tomato paste, add some water, mix it up. I'm gonna pour this over the top. Hit it with a little lemon. Nice. You're gonna add a little bit of water to this. You don't wanna do too much, just about halfway up the onions. So you wanna bring this thing to a simmer, cover it, and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. You want that rice to be nice and tender inside. It's been about 35 minutes now, and this thing looks delicious and ready to go. Top it with a little parsley to make it look pretty. Here we go. Oh yeah. And there we go, onion dolma or onion sarma. If you guys know the name of this, throw it in the comments below. Here we go. Oh yes. Look at that here. We'll get this side so you can kind of see. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Nice, delicious, juicy. Let's see what it tastes like.
And if you like this content, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps. Here we go. Oh, yeah, man, that's awesome. The sweetness comes through into the meat. It adds a different texture. There's a slight crunch to it, actually. I love it. This is definitely my new favorite way to dolma, or sarma. I keep messing that up. Want some?